Hello everyone. So today's topic is tips for writing task 1 and it's for academic. Without wasting any time, let's start the video. As you can see, our first point is understand. Before start writing the task, do understand it. Think for a second that what you are asked about. You have a picture in front of you, which you have to best describe in words. The picture may be any pie chart, map or lines, which will give you lots of information. As we say, a picture is worth 1,000 words. Let me make you understand it by giving an example. Suppose you have a picture and you have to describe it to your friend on phone. So you have to tell each and every important detail so that your friend can draw it exactly the same. I know. Now some of you will think we have WhatsApp, so why we will explain it on phone? We will directly send the picture, right? But this is actually what you have to do in task 1 so that the examiner get the idea about the picture. Moving to the next point, it says write in your own words. I know so many students search for the answer for getting ideas. Correct? I would say getting help is a good thing, but do not start to copy. You should always write the task in your own words because it's quite difficult to learn each and every task as IELTS is not confined and it has no syllabus. So always try to write your own. Moving to the third point, which says overview instead of conclusion. That means you should write overview instead of conclusion. After writing your introductory lines, by paraphrasing, write the overview and do not write the conclusion at the end. Suppose you were given a chart. I'll show you. Suppose this is the chart you are given. As you can see, it's a line chart, right? Now, in overview, you can highlight the eye-striking factors. That is, which comes exactly in mind after observing the graph. Now, what the graph is saying, the graph below shows the number of overviews visitor who came to UK for different purposes between 1989 and 2009. Summarize the information by selecting and reporting the main features and make comparison where relevant. So the main features you can represent in your overview. So in this, what is the eye-striking factor? The eye-striking factor is that the visitors who visited UK for holiday was on the top in 1989. Correct? In 1989, the visitors who visited UK for holidays was on the top. And it remained on the top after 2 decades. As the numbers changed from approximately 6.2 to 9 million, as the visitors in millions, you can see. But what the interesting fact about the graph is that the one which was on top remained at the top, second remained at the second, and third remained at the third. The position of all the threes were maintained after so many ups and downs. Now, moving to our next point, which says count your words. After completing your task, do check your words because if you exceed the word limit, which is 150 for task 1, you will lose your band score. Writing more will not increase but decrease your score. And after counting words, do mention at the end after completing the task. As you can see, I have written here WC, which means word count. Suppose after counting you get 158. So you can write WC 158. Do mention it at the end and do not exceed the limit. Now, the last is proofreading. You should invest your 1 or 2 minutes in proofreading. That means after completing the task, read what you have written. I have given 2 sub-points of this point. As you can see, the first sub-point is check grammar and the second sub-point is check spellings. Firstly, check your grammar mistakes only and then move to your spelling mistakes, or vice versa. You can first check the spelling mistakes and then move to your grammar mistakes. Because if you will check both together, either you will ignore any grammar mistake or spelling. As one cannot sail in 2 boats at the same time, so check one by one. I hope this video will help you to get a good band score in writing task 1. I'll meet you in the next video with some more tips and tricks. Till then, bye bye and take care. And do apply these tips before writing task 1. You will definitely see a huge change in your band score.